Oh, I'm gonna get my drink. Hey, Fivers, hold on. Oh, jeez. I have kids in public school, and it means when a virus goes around, it shares.
Yeah. So if you could do me a favor and breathe that way.
Oh well, I'll breathe that way. We just can't open mouth kiss.
That's fine. It's fine.
So my throat is torn up a bit. I had kind of a subdued cough, but because of the medication I take for my rheumatoid arthritis, it inhibits my immune system. So anything that attacks me just has a heyday, and it sucks bad. So I have my Ricola. I have my Ricola. I'm going to get some more of that, too.
You should.
Yeah.
Before we go on our trip.
We're on our trip. So first, we're going to talk about Germany.
Oh. Yes.
You just made mention of our trip.
Not these. Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
You made mention of the trip. We just talked about these.
Yeah, okay.
We are on our way to Germany. Let's see. This episode airs Sunday.
Yep.
We can get this out same day.
Yeah.
Okay. So by the time you see this, we should have landed.
Ish.
Maybe. In Germany.
It's an overnight flight from Saturday to Sunday. So.
Yeah. And then time moves forward for us. We time travel a bit.
That's right. We do time travel a bit, don't we?
We're going to be at the Formnext Expo in Frankfurt, Germany, and it's all thanks to the Siemens Corporation. And we also get to see, I think, a cool robot.
I like robots.
I like robots a lot. We also get to see metal 3D printing.
Yes.
What did you do?
Sorry, I didn't want to talk while I was touching the mic, so I can cut that out. I'm talking this way, so I wanted my mic on that side.
You're not going to cut that out.
I should cut out that audio of me touching the mic. It's going to be hard on the ears if I don't.
I guess we'll find out.
Yeah, I guess so. Maybe I won't cut it out.
Future me is going to be really proud of you for whatever you did.
Yeah, right. One way or the other.
We're in Germany for a week.
Yes.
Which means that there may or may not be content on the channel for that week. I don't know. Just with my voice needing to recover and the time it takes to set up the new space, we just might not have the proper content. So
yeah, we don't really have anything recorded right now that I could.
Well, we have that. We have the conversation with Adrian Bowyer.
Oh, sure, but I gotta get the stuff from him first.
Right. So if he gets the stuff back, I guess.
And it's possible, yeah.
Maybe they have fast internet in Germany.
Faster than we'll have here.
Probably. So this is the new office,
Yeah.
and we're still setting up stuff. I know lighting isn't perfect, but it's better than it was, and it's going to keep getting better.
Yeah, especially as we, do things to the space that are going to improve the look behind the desk also.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So we'll have that. We'll have lighting fixtures installed, and we can, do more creative things with lights.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Yeah, that's a really good idea.
Yeah.
I like being creative, and hopefully we'll hear about knocking a wall down.
Yeah, that's right. We want to knock a wall down.
Yeah.
So that'll be fun. I've never done that before.
Well, I am thinking of a way where I might have a Patreon level where we would, because we have 2 rooms here, and we might let the Patreons there's 2 rooms, and if I had a Patreon level that could have 2 people in it, and those people could name the rooms. Mm-hmm. That might be kind of fun.
Yeah, that'd be fun.
It might be kind of fun. In that room over there, I want to put some of the user prints that I've been sent, and put those on the wall.
Oh, sure.
Maybe some of the blades or the guns that I've printed.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
So
I like a weapon wall.
It would be fun.
Yeah.
And the goal would be to just kind of make some good background. So we've got that room over there, we've got this set, and we'll have a set over there. So hopefully 3 sets.
Yeah. And the idea for that one is to be like anything that we do recording-wise for desktop recording or whatever, I suppose, right? Mm-hmm. And then that over there is like a project room.
Project room.
Fan Mail Friday area.
We might bring Fan Mail Friday back to the main channel.
That's what you keep saying.
I mean...
I'd love it.
I think it's a great idea because Technically Nerdy should focus on the technical projects that we want to do.
That aren't printing.
Right. Not fan mail. So I hope to bring fan mail back to the main channel. Maybe that's what we do in the new year.
Okay.
Maybe we celebrate the new year by bringing fan mail back.
I like it.
I think that'd be fun.
Yeah.
Okay. What else we got going on?
I don't know yet. Nothing we can really talk about.
Yeah, not a lot we can talk about.
Mm-hmm. This is my desk.
That's right. The desk that you see here. This is the desk. Let's see. You may remember a stream when I was visiting Michigan, and it was Chuck, myself, and Sean doing a stream of the pallet connected to his bruising machine.
Yes.
And at that point, you saw this desk. Well, that desk moved to Seattle.
I sure
and
did.
Then it's quite large for the space that Sean is in, and we thought, hey, we could use this as the desk to do some episodes at, and it works out really well because, well, the bench was great.
Yeah.
Bench is great, but it's got a bunch of drawers and tools, and it's meant to be a workbench.
Yeah.
This is more of a presentation.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. That's the only function that it serves, because it is just a giant, tall table, basically. And it's reflecty.
It's a little bit lower than the bench, too, which means
Yeah.
it's better. It's a better height for me
Yeah,
for presenting.
Yeah, better for presenting. It's perfect height for me for working, but that's for
Yeah.
you over
Yeah.
there. That's where that bench is perfect for you for working over there.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah. Cool. I'm glad it worked out. I'm glad I had something that would work out.
It's kind of exciting to have that.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, I mean, we already covered this.
Yeah.
Is there anything more to really talk about this?
No, I hope. We didn't show off the cool infill.
It is cool infill. Gyroid.
Gyroid. Yeah.
That was filmed with Octolapse, so I think we might get to see that in the camera.
Oh, cool. Perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think anything else with this. It's really cool. I maybe one day, TREELON will print a life-size model of himself.
Maybe. Maybe that's what I'll get sent
It'll,
into
it'll,
space.
it'll be free.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. He can put his. Maybe if we separate it from that, next time he launches a car into space, he can.
That's right.
have TREELON in the driver's seat.
Well, you know what we could do? Because I know he likes his astronaut guy.
Yeah.
We could make a TREELON car air freshener. Mm-hmm. And you know what it would smell like?
Trees.
Trees.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pine
Yeah.
trees. It'd be
Yeah.
a pine air
It'd be a pine air freshener. Yeah, I would love it. It would be his TREELON Musk.
I don't think there's any way we can go on from that.
I don't think so.
Hey, thanks for watching.
Thank you
Thanks
very
for
much.
your support. It's support such as yours that makes a new space possible. It also makes it so Sean doesn't have to beg on the street corner for ramen noodles.
Yet.
I mean, sometimes he enjoys it. So
I do like
that's-
ramen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anything else?
That's really it. Thank you again for your support.
All right.
I like being able to do this.
I
And
like
you
you're able to do
guys
this.
make that possible. So thank you.
We'll see you
On the next one.